Welcome back to another installment of the CrawlSpaceRepair.com product video showcase. CrawlSpaceRepair.com is your trusted resource for all your crawlspace encapsulation products and knowledge. Today, we're talking water control systems. A water control system is made up of three major components: the water drainage system, water collection system, and the water pumping system. If you haven't seen our InstaDry Sump Kit product video, you should check it out. Our InstaDry Drainage System, or IDS, was designed specifically to route water to a water collection system like the InstaDry Sump Kit. The IDS makes several advances on a traditional drain tile system. The biggest advantage in most cases is reducing or even eliminating the use of drainage rock around the pipe. Moving heavy rock is hard enough, but even harder in a small crawl space, right? The secret to eliminating the installation of heavy rock around the IDS is this water permeable fabric. It allows the water in, keeps the dirt and mud out. Use the IDS along with the InstaDry Sump Kit for a complete solution to crawl space water problems. The InstaDry Drainage System is available in 50-foot rolls for homeowners and 165-foot rolls for installers. Connectors like couplings, 90-degree bends, IDS to 4-inch pipe, and more are also available to improve the quality and results of the InstaDry Drainage System. You want to learn more about our water control systems or any of our other products? Visit us at CrawlSpaceRepair.com and check out our product catalog video series, or give us a call.